What's up guys, James here from the YouTube channel Spiral Design Works. Welcome back to the shop. Really glad you're here. I just wanted to shout out to everybody that's been watching my videos over the last 3 or 4 months. I hit that big 1,000 subscriber mark a couple weeks ago. Really excited about that. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. And thank you Dave for always being there. And keep coming back for more. We're really trying hard to keep quality videos coming at you guys and all the different things we do here at the shop, which is a lot. We don't even cover probably a quarter of the things that we do here on my YouTube videos, but I'm going to try to keep them coming, keep them fresh. And if you guys have any ideas for anything you want to see, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know. All right, peace out. Thank you. Alright, so working on my the lower long arms. 26 eighths, we'll cut these, get cleaned up. Inch quarter wall like butter. Like butter. This tubing was $22 a foot. That makes for a really nice, perfect fish mouth, as you can see. got all those cleaned up, fish mouth. So the fish mouth is ready for these. This side gets this nice big insert here I got from Barnes. That goes in there. It's quarter wall, 2-inch quarter wall. So I'll put a nice weld around there, probably 2 or maybe 3 passes. I don't want to overheat it and melt into the threads. Alright, so I just made a root pass. Kind of ugly, but so you can see how far down in the groove that is. And if we look up in here, kind of hard to see, but you can see it turned blue a little bit, but didn't melt any threads down, which is what we want. We want full penetration, so now I'll go ahead and probably make 2 more passes and fill that in real nice. So that was pass number 2, and you can see it's still a little low, so I'm going to go 1 more pass, finish it off. Man, 200 amps is hot. Alright, 3rd pass. Still red hot right there. You can see where I started and stopped every time, but I wish I had an indexer that would just sit there and spin this real nice while I was welding it, but I don't. A hell of a fucking arm. Alright, so we mocked this up. I think I forgot to take a picture of it on the Jeep, but we mocked it up on the Jeep with the top arm to make this whole radius arm type of deal here. And we just tacked it in, and now I'm on the bench, and you can see how this piece from Barnes, this piece was from Barnes, how it all self jigs, fits the 2-inch tube perfect. So I'll go ahead and lay down some welds. Alright, that is one hell of an arm here. Actually didn't have the right size rod, so I was really having to force the rod in there to fill
the gap, so it's a little, wish I would have had a little bit thicker rod, but I ran out. So, but I'm pretty sure that's not going anywhere. I could run over that again and make that a little more rounded, and then when I do a little nice grind job on it, it would be nice and rounded. So I might do that on that top edge there just to make it look pretty. Yeah. All right. Was able to get inside there and back weld in there a little bit. Down some pretty decent welds. Not exactly weld porn, but I'm gonna grind this surface here, so I kind of filled that a lot to get. I'll radius that out real nice. But other than that, there they are. Alright guys, it's Friday, 6 o'clock. I'm ready to get out of here. It's been a long week. Been working like 14-hour days. Did some editing last night too. But here's the arms. Got these babies all welded up. I know some of you are going to say, oh, you shouldn't have ground those, you know, but these were plenty strong. They had huge fillet welds in there. So I decided to sand them so they look a little better when they're painted. And those are the uppers, the ends with the big nut on it. So overall, I think they came out pretty good. And I like the round tubes a lot better than square tubes, but that's just personal preference. I think both of them work equally as well. These bottom tubes are quarter wall, 2-inch. I don't think they're going to bend with this Jeep. And tomorrow, get them powder coated and hopefully get them on the Jeep. That looks pretty sweet. Orange actually doesn't look too bad. Got a lot of adjusting to do.